In this video, we will explain the IMAP settings in Krayin CRM. It helps you to fetch incoming emails into your dashboard, and it's improving communication or enhancing team visibility. This is the complete dashboard of Krayin CRM. Simply navigate to the Configuration tab. Under Configuration, select the IMAP setting. In the IMAP setting, you need to provide credentials such as host, port, encryption type, validate SSL certificate, IMAP username, and IMAP password. I will update these according to my credentials, and you need to paste your credentials here. The port number will remain 993. For encryption type, you can select your preferred option, but I will choose SSL. You must enable the toggle to validate the SSL certificate. Under IMAP username, you can provide your Gmail username. For example, I am using my Gmail account. For IMAP password, you need to provide your Gmail password. Alternatively, you can create an app-specific password from your Google account. I will show you how to find the app password from your Google account. Simply go to the Google Account tab. Under the Security section, go to the App Password option. For example, I have created one named Krayin. As an app password, you can provide any name. For demonstration, I am taking test and creating it. You will then get a 16-digit app-specific password. Copy it, mark it as done, go to the IMAP Password tab, and paste your credentials there. After pasting, click on Save Configuration. You will receive a success message, Configuration saved successfully. That's it for this part. Now go to the root directory of Krayin CRM. I have opened it already. In the root directory, go to the env file. Here, you will find the IMAP host, IMAP port, IMAP encryption, validate SSL, username, and password. All these credentials should be the same as what you tested on the front end. Update all the credentials accordingly. One more thing to note is that you must provide the receiver driver. For example, I have set my receiver driver as Webplex IMA. For the host, I will update it to imap.gmail.com. The port will remain the same. I will provide my email account under IMAP username and update the password as well. Make sure your password is enclosed in double inverted commas, otherwise it will not be validated. Simply click on Save and run the command php artisan inbound-email:process. Press Enter and it will take a little time to complete. You will then see a successful message in the terminal indicating that the incoming email process has been completed. Next, go to the Krayin dashboard and navigate to the Email section. Under the Email section, open the inbox. Here, you will see that all the previous emails displayed in your Gmail account are now fetched directly into your CRM. This confirms that the emails have been fetched successfully. Trashed emails can also be pasted here. You can view all your drafted emails as well. So that's all about this IMAP feature. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webcool.com or raise a ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.